split testing tip idea. You can send a video so they see your face, hear your voice, and then they instantly just want to buy everything from you. So.
Are you frozen?
No, I'm not frozen. I was just waiting for our notification. I'm super excited to try this right now. I'm going to share my phone. Facebook pages in the bottom row with the orange flag. If you don't have it, I have no idea why not. We're going to go send a video message. This is what we were just talking about earlier. After we talked about it, I was like, because you mentioned like do it through Messenger, Sean. I was like, you know what? It'd be really good to show people like how to do that for today. Like, oh, what do I say? What I do? Just keep it really simple. Like everything that you're already saying, just do the same thing, but you can do it via video. Might be something to try. Again, split testing is always trying new things to see what works for you. So, I can send a message to Beth. All right, so I'll click Beth, and then see, I just tested it a little bit earlier to make sure I knew how to do it, and we could do it from our phone. I'd recommend doing it from the phone because when I'm on my computer and I'm looking to like like the fan page messenger, I don't have like a hey, click this button and record a video. You could probably attach a file, and it's probably not too hard, but it's just not as clean and as simple as this. And I want to give you guys something like really, really simple. So for tonight, like just if you use the app that you saw me click, and then you go to message somebody, in the bottom you'll see the little camera. So you can click that, and then it has my face, and you can say whatever you want, like, hey, what's up? I'm on Train or Die, the end. And then you just hit the little send button in the bottom right-hand corner, and then it sends. Heck yeah. So just split testing tip idea. You can send a video so they see your face, hear your voice, and then they instantly just want to buy everything from you.